Does your interior door lock freely move back and forth and doesn't stay locked, and it's an impossible task to unlock the car from the inside? Yep, that's what happened here. It's inevitable. Things will break, and my door lock has. So I believe what I thought had happened was that the cable that connects to this mechanism here broke. Well, the cable is fine. It was the assembly that broke, but here's the cables I'm referring to. This white one goes to the door lock. This green goes to the door handle. So when you pull the handle, pulls the cable, unlocks the door. So what we'll do is go ahead and get this fixed. Right now I've already, as you can see, I have pulled apart the door panel. And I'll briefly go over the process of doing that for you. So to start, you'll look for this little push pin here. Push the center in and it will pop out. And here's some of the tools. They're not required. The only thing required is a Phillips head screwdriver. But these other trim removal tools helps in the process. They don't sell just this lock. You have to actually buy the whole sub-assembly. And what you get is the handle and the lock. So if you need the part number for this, it's 69206 Charlie 040. Make sure you identify left side, driver side, right side, passenger side. The same assembly will work for both front and rear. You just need to make sure you select driver side or passenger side. So you removed that pin. There's a little plate. You'll want to pop off. Sorry, it's a little difficult one-handed here. So this plate, remove. Inside, there's the little carpeted piece. I just use a piece of tape. Push a little piece of tape, it'll come out like so. So you'll have one Phillips head here, one Phillips head there. So once you have this pin, this screw, that screw out, next you'll want to remove this. This is the power window switch. To do that, you can use your pry tool. This whole assembly, there's only 2 pins. This whole assembly will pop straight up. Don't pull it out yet because you have to disconnect the switch. So once you have that, you can see the yellow tabs there. So once you remove those 2 tabs, disconnect the wiring harness and set that aside. Next is this upper panel. There's only 3 pins. You can see 1, 2, and 3. So I just used the pry tool and pop that off. So once you pop that off, 1 second, you can see there it is. The white pegs there, 1, 2, 3. And then that yellow tab just connects the 2 pieces together, locks them in. You set this aside. Then I believe around the perimeter of the door there are a total of 9 pins, just like these, but you'll have one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the only thing you'll need to do is pretty much just pry that out of those areas. And last The door panel itself just sits on this ledge. So once you pull this panel away from the door, you can simply lift up and pull it away. But before you do that, you'll need to disconnect. It's pretty self-explanatory once you see it for yourself. But you'll lift these out of their assembly, disconnect the let's see, this is the harness I was telling you about in the bottom of the switch for the windows. And then if your Tundra is equipped with a door light, that's the harness for the door light. And you'll know if you have a light by looking right here. There's the light. I did an LED conversion on those. I can show you that in another video, but that's really nice. So once you disconnect the wiring harness, you're left with this. And here's the pins, the little tabs here that hold the door panel on. And here's the mechanism. So as you can see, actually here, look, here's a piece right here. So this pretty much just broke off, freeing up the cable. So it looks like this assembly is only held in by 2 Phillip head screws. So let me go ahead and get those taken out. Here's the first one. One. Two. So we removed the 2 screws, and it looks like the only thing is a little tab here and possibly one more under here, and this sub-assembly should come out. So let's try that. And there we go. We'll go ahead and pop in the new one here. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty easy. So we'll go ahead and reassemble the door now. The assembly also comes pre-greased, so that's good. Sorry for the cutout. I'm in Florida, and it seems like it'll be nice, clear skies, and then all of a sudden, immediate rain. But anyways, I have the door panel all reassembled. Let's go ahead and check that door lock. Before, when I would lock the door or unlock it, the actual assembly wouldn't move. But now we have lock, unlock, lock, unlock, Let me know how old your Tundra is and if you guys have experienced any door lock or handle issues on your Tundra. Again, thank you for watching. If you're interested in how I wired up these accessory lights into the reverse lights of the Tundra, leave a comment below and I can get a video for that for you.